Okay, we've skipped over 5. It's going to be similar to this one. There's several like this. I'll do the next few. We have a function, and we want to determine the more basic function that has been shifted, stretched, compressed. So basically what they're asking is, what is the parent function? So I have attached a sheet in Blackboard, which I'll go show you now. In Blackboard, if you go to content, down here where all the videos and everything are, right in between 4.3 and 4.4 parent function. You can find anything like this that you like online, but it basically shows you all of the different types of functions that you might come up with as far as algebra is concerned. So let me see if I can make this bigger so you can see a little bit better. No luck there. Let me see. Yeah, here we go. That's a little bit too big. It's okay. So this is a little bit better. Okay, so you can see y equals x. Sometimes you might see f of x. But these are the basic functions. A linear function, you have absolute value, you have quadratic, radical, cubic, which is odd, you have a cube root odd. They kind of even tell you some of the symmetry. Log, we have rational, inverse, rational, greatest integer, and constant function. So we got several of them listed. Now this is not all, but this is most of the ones that are common to what we'll be using in algebra. And so this is for you here in Blackboard. And this problem here is just asking which one of those functions are we dealing with. So basically what you want to do is strip away everything except for x. Okay, so when I say strip away everything, I mean all basic numbers except for exponents. Okay, everything else we're going to strip away. So we have negative 1 divided by we have x minus 4 squared plus 2. Okay, so everything that is not x or an exponent, I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, so get rid of this. I guess maybe that 1 is to say this stuff, this will go away. When you get rid of all that, you'll be left with this 1 over x squared. Hopefully you can kind of see that by looking at it. The more time you spend playing around with these, you'll be able to see it. So anyway, the parent function, or the basic form, is this function right here, 1 over x squared, which is that rational function. So we're going to type that here, 1 divided by x squared. And then we have a part 2 they're going to ask us here next. Alright, so now once you kind of see the basic form, now we want to know the shape of the graph, or the more basic function of the graph. Now I didn't close it out yet, but if you kind of look here, some of them you'll be more familiar with, but not all of them. Okay, so when we go down here, this rational inverse squared, we have this shape right here. So it's like a parabola, but it's inverted and going up. Okay, not defined at 0 because we can't divide by 0. So this is the graph of the function, and this is what we want to select from these options that we're given. So none of these 3 looks like this one, so I'm going to highlight it, and you got several of them to choose from. So most of those that you see on that other page, these are those functions, and this is the one that's going to be matched with this graph.